that provided the summons served by the special process server, who never served Henry anyway, because Henry had a stroke, was in the hospital, and his wife had passed away before that. So, okay, so that's what I mean, it don't matter. And then they provided the affidavit of service. That's all they could file in the case. But see, they filed this like on the 6th. They didn't send us copies of this. Now, so if they couldn't answer and this is all they put in there, then they're toast. I think we won. I mean, I never really say won or whatever, but these people went and sat the hell down. It looks like, because they ain't answered nothing. So, so we're going to go in next week with we was just there yesterday. I think it was yesterday. I didn't know what day it was. Yeah, yesterday. And Henry was found there, and they were giving him a hard time. And then he called me, and I thought we were just on a speakerphone while I'm talking. I mean, on the phone while I'm talking in his earpiece, and he had me on speakerphone. And so they were giving him. I could hear a lot better, so I didn't think about that. But anyway, so some lady came up and started getting off, and I said, "Who is that lady with the loud mouth?" And she said, "I'm Demetra. I'm on speakerphone." No, I didn't say that. I said, "Demetra, I'm Coach Neighbors, and I got a loud mouth too." Oh yeah, they didn't want to talk to me. And Henry said that I had them all stirred up down there, trying to tell me that we need to follow the rules. No, we didn't follow no rules. We ain't following no policies either. We following the damn rules. And people got no sense. I just keep looking at this, because we're about to look at the package that cost this. $300 package is jammed up, and we got some other people at the gate. At the door. We got Nikki at the door. She's in New York, and she had to take and put her big girl pants on and boots, and figured out how they, when the first day she left and they jacked her over, and she figured it out. She was on top, and then she went down there the second time and she started talking some trash. And I think the third day she went down there, she paid for the premium service that I have, and I actually emailed them a letter and all the documents that she's going to be filing. I emailed it to them from my business email address. Bam! Yeah. And she said they had a whole little different attitude when she went down there today. All her stuff put the way it needed to be. So she lined up in the same position Henry was in. This is the end of the 4th week for Henry. And they wouldn't accept this temporary restraining order. He was down there yesterday, and they wouldn't accept the notice of preservation, which is the document that you jam in their face after you file the RICO that lets them know that you're going to be seizing their property and then all their stuff that's connected to the reason. Oh, it's hot. Oh, so they didn't take that one. Okay, but they did take the demand to dismiss. Really was, like I said, when you're doing the check down, if they're going to accept a demand to dismiss, but turn down the other fire, that was real fire, then maybe they see the light. Can you see that every shot of the light? It's not a church song, but there is a song. We'll be jamming on it one of these days.